Yo, what up, y'all? This is Dubb, and we are back again with another week of Sunday morning grooves. I got another groove for you this week. It's kind of laid back, got a nice little vibe to it. So grab your bass and let's get into it. So we're in the key of G major. Or you can say E minor because it's the relative minor of G. So the notes in these scales are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Okay? That's your G major scale. All right, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Okay, now all of these notes aren't in the groove necessarily, but these are notes that you can kind of play around with, like when you're, taking it to the next level and embellishing the groove, okay? So let's run through the minor scale. So E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, and then E, your octave, okay? Let's run it again. E, open string, F sharp, G, A, open string, B, C, D, open string, and then back to E, okay? So that's gonna be more of the foundation for the groove that we're going over today, okay? So it's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, like maybe like a minor arpeggio type of thing or something like that, but the groove basically goes G, F sharp, E, B, G, B, G, E. Okay? That's the whole pattern of the groove. I'm gonna play it in time and then we're gonna break it down again. Okay? Okay? So those notes one more time. G, F sharp, E, B, G, back to B, back to G, and then open E. Okay? Okay? Let's do it again. Okay? That's the hardest part of the groove. The only other part of the groove is two notes, which is A, then B. Okay? So you're going A, B. That's the whole groove. Also, it can be used as a practice tool as well. So if you want to use it to kind of build up the speed in your fingers. something you can use as like a warm up or something like that. So it can be used for that as well. But that's pretty much the main part of this groove. Okay? So let's play it slow and put it all together, see if we can make sense of it. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, let's do it again. Do it again. One more time. Okay. Okay, now we're going to play the groove again with the track, and we're going to see if we can find some little things that'll take it to the next level. It can get kind of boring sometimes just playing the same groove over and over again. Although you're locked in and the feel is good, you might want to have a little things in the toolbox that you can pull out, when you want to, take it to the next level. So let's run it back with the track and see if we can come up with some stuff to, take it to the next level. All right? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's one right there. Okay, so we're playing the groove. Then we slide that in there. So that's we're going G, D, F sharp, C sharp, which is kind of not really being played. It's just kind of a ghost note type of thing. Okay? So that's G, D, F sharp, C sharp. So we're playing the groove. Let's see if we can come up with something else to throw in there and see if we can take it to the next level even more. All right? One, two, 1, 2, 3, here we go. There's another one. Let's try it again. One more time. Okay, now let's break that little embellishment down. So basically, you're in the groove. Okay, so you're basically sliding from B to C. Okay, B to C, then A, then G, then F sharp, then you hit your low E. Okay, so let's play the groove again. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. Let's try it with the groove. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much sums up this week of Sunday Morning Grooves. We broke down the groove. We've even went over a couple of little things you can do to take it to the next level and enhance it, as well as in the beginning of the video, we went over a couple of scales that you can use those notes as well to take this groove to the next level and even further than we've taken it in this video, okay? Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of these grooves and you can take advantage of all these grooves and these opportunities to enhance your bass playing. Also, make sure to click the link at the bottom so you can download this track that I'm playing along with, as well as any other tracks and any other grooves that you've heard on this channel that you want to be able to practice along with, okay? If you haven't already, make sure to keep up with me on my social media platforms, Bryan B. Dubb White on Facebook and B. Dubb the Producer on Instagram. And don't forget, if you come across any cool grooves on social media, don't forget to tag me in the videos or on the post so I can see them, and you might just see them on Sunday Morning Grooves and I can break them down and we can take those to the next level as well, okay? Also, want to give a special shout out to the companies that show me love and make it easier for me to do what I need to do with this music thing. Shout out to Diodario Strings, Gallion Kruger bass amps, Curling cables, Fender basses. They always show me love. They always keep me locked in. And if you're looking to take your piano playing to the next level, there's a link at the bottom to my guys over at the Gospel Music Training Center that can help you do that. Make sure to click that link and check them out as well. All right, let's get back into this groove and I'll catch you guys on the next one.